Gadinadis. 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 How do you say guys in English? Gadinadis. Gadisin. Right? Bosahi ganadis. Harhi ganadis. How do you say guys in English? Let's see guys together. Alright? Gadinadis. Gadinadis. Let me go. Let me go. Nangkabin, gadinadis. Let me go. Gadidisin. Gadisa dem tu. Gadisa demu. Let her go. Or you can say let him go. You see guys, let him go. Or you can say let her go. These are them too. You can say also let them go. These are them. Let them go. Right? And harkiya ganadis. Nakabin. Isi marakab datini. Let go of what? Let go of my hand. Let's go of my hand. So guys, please, let go of my hand. Harhi ganadis. Let go of my hand. Alright, borsakiya gadinadis. Borsakiya gadinadis. Nem toko borsaki yusar kakabe. Borsaki ganadis gaf churba fangilifatin maetan. Komentarti na baresa. Sif hindawalle. I didn't call you. I didn't call for you. You can say I didn't call you. Hin agare. I didn't see. I didn't see. Hin again. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. What the again? I didn't hear nothing. I didn't hear anything. You see guys? Hinyane. I didn't eat. I didn't eat. Okay, at a more comment to Judah, after civilization of Shanafat Gutaitu. Hin Baranne. Hin Baranne. Amalek stress. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. What do I get in the manitan? One jet to lalet. Arabake a good. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Adabat do type. Adabat do type. Sit still. Sit still. Atamo commentrati. Jilbifad editina bares. Jilbifad. Come to Rakasa. Come to Rakasa. Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper? Come to Rakasa. Come to Bareda. Which one is which one is what? Bareda. Better. Which one is better? And this one or this one, right? And the Cumberbund. Which one? Do you want? Which one? Guys, do you want? Which one do you want? Alright. Marif akkas gode. Why did you do that? Why? Did you do that? Why did you do that, guys? Hey man, why did you do that? Why did you do that? Okay, Marif akazet in English. Commentary nabaresa, guys. Kia. Kia. It is mine. It is mine. Can ishet. It is her. Hers. It is she. It is hers. It is hers. Can isat. It is he. Yeah, it is his, him. Alright. It is his. It is his. It is his. Right? Can isanit. It is they, them, their, theirs. It is theirs. It is theirs. It is theirs. All right. Kenya. Kenya. How do we say, guys, in English? Now you can put here just in the comment section, guys. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.